work in the town.
Yeah. Feeling like I'll make the same mistakes again. Jehovah's getting angry, the devil's making me pray to him. Maybe one day the world will see what kind of state he's in, cause every day I'm getting high while driving my Mercedes-Benz. I'm just in love with the Zans, they don't want me to panic. Feel like an astronaut jacking off to my favorite planets. You never picking up the phone, I just can't understand it. You with another nigga dancing while I'm sitting stranded. Fuck that shit, let me guzzle up a vodka fifth. You looking happy, but I know you feel the opposite. I run around with confidence. All these opportunities be at your door and knocking, but I fucked around and locked this shit. All these missed calls just bringing me back to all the times I never gave a fuck and barely react. All that shit that you be telling me was strictly just facts, but I never fucking listened, so I'm hitting you back. So
I miss you, but what's the point? I could call you, but I feel annoyed. And I miss you, but what's the point? I could call you, but I feel annoyed.